Hey y'all, it's Lise with Hobby Time, ready for another fun video with me. I'm excited for it. I picked out some things specifically because of the new Super Mario movie that just came out, and I'm excited to get into some things with you guys. So let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, today's video is a little different. You're going to be facing me this time. I'm trying something out. So, we're going to have a whole bunch of things like this. As you saw in the thumbnail, which is what you probably clicked on, it's going to have a bunch of these. So these are little backpack buddies. Okay, so these ones have Mario Kart in them. And then there's some that are backpack buddies. And they have these guys on them. And you can have a chance to have a golden guy. So I'm really hoping maybe we can get a rare this time. I picked up a couple of these Mario Kart mystery item box racing 10 cup. Oh, it's a candy tin, so I guess there's candy in it. Guess we'll be eating some candy. But anyway, it says, which race cup will you win? I don't know. My son likes to play Mario Kart a lot. Him and I play that a lot together. And then I personally, my favorite character is Yoshi. I love him. His little face. And there's all these you can collect. Now it does say at the bottom, look out for the rare mystery character, but I don't know what that might be or who that might be. Maybe it'll just be whatever's not on the back of this package. So we'll see. Let's start out with, I have my scissors with me, but let's start out with these tins and let's see who we get. See, now it's going to be a little weird because you're going to see all my facial expressions, and sometimes my face doesn't exactly hide what I'm thinking, so good luck with that. Like that. Okay, so it's just a tin. Okay. Nothing in the box. It doesn't really tell me anything. Got the mushroom cup. I believe that's like the first. Isn't that the first one you do? The mushroom is like the easy one. It says, oh, it's gonna be all backwards for you guys. I'm sorry. It's terrible. Mario Kart Winner's Cup candy. What kind of candy's in it? It's probably gross. Most of those like little kid, like movie candy or like whatever. It's always some like funky flavor candy. It's like you really just buy it for the fun of it, not the actual tastiness of it. I don't know why I can. What is that? Kind of looks like fish eggs. Wouldn't that be terrible? Just kidding. Pranks on you, you get fish eggs. No, they kind of look like they're hard candy. Kind of like sweet tarts, probably. Or, or hard. Just powdery, sugary, weird flavor. Definitely geared towards kids. I guess it's supposed to be cherry flavor. Anyway. Whatever. Kids will love that. Yeah, it's kind of like, I guess kind of like a Tic Tac. Hard and stuff. But it doesn't even say what flavor it's supposed to be or anything. It's not mushroom flavor, though. That's good. But it's cute. It says Mario Kart. Can you see on there? Mario Kart. Alright. Let's see what this one is. Hopefully it's different. I found these at $5 for these little things. Okay, I was going to be disappointed because I saw the blue at the bottom. I thought I got another mushroom cup. We got the crown cup. Or, I guess that's what it's called. I don't know what level that is. I'm assuming the candy is the same in the inside. I will not eat it because I'm sure it's going to taste the same. But it'd be nice. Oh! They have different candy. It's multicolored, so I'm sure it's like a fruity mix. Okay, so that's fun. At least there's different kinds of... Oh, I know what it tastes like. Okay, do you remember those candy necklaces? I don't know. It depends on the age group. But those candy necklaces or like the bracelets or whatever, that's what these taste like. That sugary, fake childhood memories. That's what this is. Anyway, so at least we got 2 different ones. They are cute. So if you collect Mario stuff, totally cute for the gamer in your life. I'm going to do 1-on-1 because I got 2 packages of each, right? So I'm going to do 1-on-1. I'm going to do a Yoshi. Now remember, these are the colors we can get. Got a red one with purple shoes, a blue one with a slightly different purple shoes, a black one with white shoes, a darker purple with pink, pink with yellow, orange with purple. I really like that purple. Yellow with green, and then your basic green original Yoshi with orange shoes. And then apparently a mystery one, which we don't know what he's going to be. Yes, I should say that. Comes in just looks like your McDonald's pie box. And some tissue paper. Let's see who we got. Oh, okay, so we got the purple guy with the pink, or the purpley shoes. He's not as vibrant as this package. Like, see how dark this... Sorry, you guys are running this test view with me here. See how he's kind of darker purple and he's really not? He's like, this is more like a lavender purple. But he's cute. And it comes with a little keychain, sturdy backpack clip, and it's hard to kind of twist, but very cute. Very cute. Can you see him? Super cute. Okay. And I'll tilt the camera so you can see him. Okay, so that's one Yoshi. We'll do another Yoshi in a minute. We'll do the Backpack Buddies. And this is the chance where we can get the Golden Mario. So we can get it from here. Again, little cardboard box thing here. Who are we hoping to get with this one? So you can get Mario, Luigi, Yoshi, Peach, Toad, Wario, Koopa Troopa, or Donkey Kong. I mean, obviously we're hoping for the rare, but if we don't, I kind of want Donkey Kong. I'm not a huge Mario by myself fan. I like Luigi of the 2 brothers. That's what we get. Well, go right along with the theme here. We got Yoshi, which is my favorite. The original Yoshi. Super cute. And go with his buddy. Okay. Time for a cart. Let's get a cart. And this one just says look for the rare chaser character. Again, doesn't show you what that could be. We got a Yoshi, Luigi, Mario, Donkey Kong, Toad, Warrior, Bowser, Princess Peach. Now, if you've seen the movie, comment down below what you thought of the movie. I have not seen it yet. Looks really cool. Has a lot of awesome actors in it, like Jack Black and stuff. Love them. Okay. See who we get. A car! No. Oh, we got Princess Peach. She's cute. Sturdy little plastic. The wheels are pretty cool. They're sturdy. I really can play with this. Alright, so we got Princess Peach. Alright, so I guess back to, well, we keep opening Yoshi, so let's try, open another one of the characters. Maybe we'll get the Golden Mario. See if we can get the Golden Mario. Watch we open another Yoshi. Alright. If it's not one, it's the other. Peach! So we got her car. And now we have her. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of Peach in general? When I was a kid, I never wanted to play as her. Ever, ever, ever. I don't know. She kind of annoyed me with her, I'm Howdy's princess, blah, blah, blah. But I don't know. I always thought, man, she got caught. That's on her. Let Bowser eat her. But that was just me. I don't know. Whole damsel in distress thing kind of seemed overrated. But anyway, so now we have 2 Yoshis and 2 Princess Peaches. Let's open another cart. Okay, wrapper, you guys see first. You see first. Who we get? Toad. Another one of my non-favorite. He's kind of annoying. He ain't even sitting down. Like, what is he sitting on? He needs a booster seat. Is he even legal to drive? But his cart's pretty cute. His cart is pretty cute. Okay, I'll give it to him. He's cute. I prefer Toad over Yoshi. I mean, over Princess, but they're kind of on the same level for me. I think of the carts, I would have almost preferred anybody but these 2. But they do go together. They're kind of a pair. They're still cute. I still like these. I think I might have to go get more of these things because they're super fun. I'd almost want to take the keychains off and race them. Super fun. Well, but I guess we didn't get out the rare chaser. I wanted like Donkey Kong, Wario. I don't know. You guys let me know if you want me to get some more of these and do like another Mario opening. Alright, the last one we have, you guys, is the Yoshi. See who we get, okay? What color, what color? Let's see who we have. Alright, you guys look first. You guys look first. Is it cool? Is it cool? It's cool? It's a dupe! Aww. Poopity poop. Poopity poop, it's a dupe. Poop poop a dupe. But that's okay. It's Yoshi. You can never have too many Yoshis. I'm gonna have to go back and get like all the Yoshis now. Alright, so that's the haul, you guys. You let me know what you thought of today's haul. Little Super Mario or just Mario Kart gamer haul. The princess and the hard plastic. I mean, they're pretty good toys. The carts are fun. I like that on the keychain part. If you can see it. Has stars. They all have stars on them. They're cute. See her up close. She looks a little shook. But they did a good job. See how she's sitting down and can reach, whereas Toad cannot. They had to give him a booster seat. He can't reach his pedals. How's he even going? By shroom power? But anyway, so there's all that. And then we have our little tins, which I guess after you eat the candy, I don't know what you would really store in these, other than maybe just display for fun. But it's really cute, and it was really fun. And I hope you enjoyed it and had fun, and subscribe and share. And I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.